Hi everyone, want to activate your eSIM on Rogers? It's easy. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to get your eSIM up and running. Let's get started. How to activate eSIM on Rogers. Ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi during the setup to activate your eSIM. Wait for the notification to set up your Rogers eSIM. Follow the prompts on your device. If you didn't receive a notification, check if your device supports eSIM. If not, activate the eSIM through your My Rogers account or the My Rogers app. If there are errors, they may be due to an unstable Wi Fi connection or other device issues. Try again or follow these steps to activate through My Rogers. Step 1. Check eSIM compatibility. Make sure your device support eSIM technology. Visit Rogers eSIM compatible check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Make sure your mobile is listed in the device list. If not, you cannot install the SIM. Step 2. Check devices compatibility. Go to devices compatibility check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter your device's IMEI number. Click Next button to check your device's compatibility. To find mobile IMEI number, open the phone app and enter *#06#. Your IMEI number will be displayed on the screen, typically consisting of 14 to 16 digits. For Apple devices, go to Settings, select General, then tap About. Scroll down to find your IMEI number listed there. For Android devices, open Settings, tap on About Phone, and then look for the IMEI section to view your number. Step 3. Check carrier unlock status. If you are bringing your own phone, make sure your mobile supports more than one carrier network. For iOS devices, open Settings, go to General, then select About. Scroll down to find the carrier lock section. If it says no SIM restrictions, your device is unlocked, while SIM locked indicate it is carrier locked. For Android, open the Settings app on your phone, tap on Network and Internet or Connections, then select Mobile Network. Look for the option labeled Automatically, select Network and toggle it off. If you see multiple carriers other than your current carrier, your phone is likely unlocked. If not, your phone is locked. You need to contact current carrier to unlock your device. How to activate eSIM on Rogers. Step 4. Buy eSIM. Go to Rogers shopping page. If you are new customer, select Get Started button. If you are an existing customer, you will be asked to sign into the account. Select the plan and follow on-screen instructions to buy the eSIM. Once completed the purchase, you will get QR code to download the SIM. Step 5. Install eSIM. The third one, using notification for iOS and Android. Ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi during the setup to activate your eSIM. Wait for the notification to set up your Rogers eSIM. Follow the prompts on your device. Go to your settings and make sure the new eSIM is turned on. If you didn't receive a notification, check if your device supports eSIM. If not, activate the eSIM through your My Rogers account or the My Rogers app. If there are errors, they may be due to an unstable Wi Fi connection or other devices issues. Try again or follow the steps to activate through My Rogers. Method 2. Using SIM voucher. For Apple devices, go to Settings and select Cellular. If needed, turn off any active eSIM to make room for your Rogers eSIM. Tap Add eSIM, then select Use QR code. This will open your camera. Scan the QR code on your eSIM voucher and select the on-screen instructions. Once completed, restart your device to finish the setup. For Samsung devices, go to Settings and select Connections. Tap SIM Manager if needed. Turn off any active eSIM to make room for your Rogers eSIM. Select Add eSIM and then tap Scan QR code. This will open your camera. Scan the QR code on your eSIM voucher and follow the on-screen instructions. Once finished, restart your device to complete the setup. For Google devices, go to Settings and select Network and Internet. Tap SIMs if needed. Turn off any active eSIM to make room for your Rogers eSIM. Select Add SIM, then tap Download a new SIM. This will open your camera. Scan the QR code on your eSIM voucher and follow the on-screen instructions. Once completed, restart your device to finish the setup. Transferring an eSIM. If you are upgrading or switching devices, you can transfer your existing eSIM from your current phone to a new one if both devices are eligible and running compatible operating system. Method 1. Transferring from other device. Using Rogers app, open Rogers app and sign in, tap the phone tab, then select change SIM and wait for a verification code via text. Enter the verification code and select confirm code. Choose eSIM, then select this device or another device. If you choose this device, tap download eSIM and follow the prompts approving any permission request. If you choose another device, scan the QR code with that device's camera. After setup, toggle I have successfully downloaded my eSIM, then select continue. Tap submit twice to confirm your eSIM is active. Select done and restart your device to finish the setup. Using Rogers.com. Sign into your My Rogers account. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Select the number for which you wish to set up the eSIM. Select change SIM, enter the verification code received via text and confirm it. Choose eSIM, then continue to generate a QR code. Scan the QR code with the camera of your device and follow on screen instructions. Confirm that you have scanned the QR code. Select Confirm SIM change, then restart your device. Method 2. Install SIM using voucher via Rogers app. Open the My Rogers app and sign in. Select your phone number from the drop down menu. Tap the phone tab, scroll down and select Change SIM. You will receive a text with a verification code. Enter the verification code and select Confirm code. Choose Physical SIM or eSIM voucher. Enter the 20-digit number starting with 89302 from your eSIM voucher and select Continue. Review the changes and select Submit. Select Submit again, then restart your device to complete the setup. Install SIM using voucher via Rogers website. Sign into your My Rogers account. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Select the phone number for which you want to set up the eSIM. Click on Change SIM. You will receive a text message with the verification code. Enter the verification code you received and select Confirm code. Select eSIM, then click Continue. Choose Enter new eSIM number, then click Continue. Enter the 20-digit number starting with 89302 from the back of your eSIM voucher and select Save and Continue. Review the changes and select Confirm SIM change. Click Done and restart your device to complete the setup.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.